Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get all apps button on the home screen of Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just click on the settings and now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here one option written home screen. Just click on it. Now we'll see here one option show app screen button on the home screen. So by default this option will be turned off, so you need to turn it on. Now you can minimize it, and now you will see here one icon appearing, which is the all apps button, or you can say the app screen button. So if you click on it, it will open the app drawer without needing to swipe up. And if you want to remove it again, then just go back to the same option and just turn this option off. Now just minimize it. Now we'll see here the all apps button or the app screen button is being removed again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get all apps button on the home screen of Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.